Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see this question, that is three numbers are in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. The difference between the greatest and the smallest numbers is 36. So we have to find the numbers. So now what will you do first? We'll see, we'll take this, the ratio is given. So we'll write the ratio of numbers. That is 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. That is given. So now what will you take? Can you see the denominators of that? The denominators are different. So what will you do here? We are going to take the LCM of that. So LCM of this one is going to be, I'll do roughly the LCM over here. So here 2, 3 and 4, the LCM is going to be 2 ones are, we will write here 3, 2 twos are, 2 ones are 3 and 3 ones are. So what will be that? 3 twos are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So what are you going to write here? So this is going to be 1 by 2 here. Let us write here 1 by 2 into this is going to be 6. Then this is going to be 4 and this is going to be 3. So what we can see now, this will be 6 by 12 and this is going to be 8 by 12 and this is going to be 9 by 12. So we can take this as 6 is to 8 is to 9. So hope this is clear. So we got the ratios as 6 is to 8 is to 9. So now let us take the numbers that the numbers are. Let the numbers be 6x, 8x and 9x. So because we got the ratio this as 6 is to 8 to 9. So now what we can do here, they said the difference between the greatest and the smallest number is 36. So here what we can do here, we can see that is the greatest number here is 9x. So minus 6x, that is 36. This is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. The difference means you have to subtract. So 9x minus 6x is 36. So what we can write here, 3x is 36. So what will be x? X is going to be 36 because this is multiplication. So this is going to get divided. So that is going to be 12. So here we can see that x is 12. So now they asked what are the, find the numbers. So what are the numbers means we have considered the number as 6x, 8x and 9x. So now what will we do here? 6x is 6 into 12. That is going to be 72. And then the other number is 8x. That will be 8 into 12. That will be 96. And the third number is 9x. So that is 9x is 9 into 12. That is going to be 108. So therefore the numbers are 72, 96 and 108. So by this one we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.